Hi everyone, it's good to be back again. It's your girl Unique Nilo, and for today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to achieve this turban design. This particular picture was sent to me by a client. She requested that I reproduce this turban for her, and this particular picture is my work. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly join us to the end of this tutorial. For returning subscribers, you know I love you all. Please stay and support your girl. So guys, start taking your time. Let's move straight to the tutorial. Alright guys, please ignore every background noise. Please just pay attention. You can see the cap I'm holding. This is V-face turban design. If you want to learn how to achieve that turban design, look out for this video. You can see this thumbnail, Abi. Look for this video in my channel. It gives you a guide on how to achieve that cap base. Alright, so over to the main design. The design that is on top of that turban cap base. This material is raw silk fabric, and the length is 35 inches by 4 inches width. I cut out 5 pieces. You notice that the length part is stretchy. The length part is stretchy while the width part is not stretchy. So I'll be folding it this way. I used 1 yard of fabric, 1 yard of raw silk or stretchy taffeta. Some people call it stretchy taffeta. Alright, so after sewing it, you're going to turn it out this way. I normally use my safety pin as a help. I'll use it to turn it out. Then after turning it out, this is how it looks. And material I'm holding now is called felt. Some people, felt for milliners, yes, or breast pad. Some people call it wadding though. It's soft, but it's thick one. This is thick breast pad. So the length of the fabric I'm holding is 35 inches by 3 inches width. 35 inches by 3 inches width. I cut out 5 pieces of it, and I'll be inserting it inside this fabric. So guys, if you watch, you will see how I'm folding it. I'm just folding it this way so it can enter inside the fabric. Guys, please pay attention. This turban cap is quite an easy one, but if you don't pay attention, you will mess the work up. All right, so I'll just insert it this way. I didn't sew this this wording. I didn't sew it. I just folded it in and inserted it this way. You can see the way it looks. All right, and there's still allowance there. Remember, I told you the stretchy part of this fabric is the length part. So I'll start arranging the fabric on top of each other. Remember, I told you it's 35 inches length. 35 inches. I cut it out 5 pieces. So this is how you place it. The right side will be facing you. Don't even understand me. This is the wrong side. So the wrong side will be down. That side you see will be down. While the right side, the side that is not rough, the side that is good, will be facing up. So this is how I will place it on top of each other. Then after arranging it this way, I will fold everything down. Guys, please, as you watch and this video is helpful to you, kindly give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. If you check the video, you will see thumbs up, like thumbs up, kudos hand. Click on it, please. Just support your girl. And if you are new to this channel, also subscribe and join this family. All right, you can see the way I folded this. If you watch, you notice that it is slant. Do you see it? It is slant, right? The second one down is a bit longer than the one down. Then the third one is a bit longer than the second one. So I had to take the measurement to get the smaller one. It's 13 inches. From the center, if you measure it, is 13 inches. So you're going to slant it this way down. So what I'm doing now is I'm marking 2 inches. 2 inches from the center. I'm just leaving space from that center part because that's where the twist part will pass through, okay? And I'll be taking this to my dummy. I always say this: if you want to form anything like pleats, take it to your dummy head or keep it on top of your lap. So your target is to get a curvy shape. You understand? You can't make your pleats to stand straight. If it comes to your dummy head or on top of the client's head, the thing will just look somehow. So what I'm showing you now is where I'll be tacking. And see, I tacked here. You can see it. You can see where I gave gap. I tacked here, and I also tack this place down. So this, can see that curvy shape. That thing I told you, you can see the way it curved. And this one will be going on the left side, not right side. Left side of the head. So you can see that opening there. All right. I'll be showing you the material I'll be using for the twist design, and this fabric as well, I cut it out for that twist, and the length measures 36 inches by 9 inches width, the same raw silk fabric. And I'll be folding it this way to sew it down. All right, I'm done sewing and I'm turning it out. Once you're done turning the whole thing out, you insert this foam. You can use your wadding, that breast pad, you can use it. You can as well use your fiber. So the length of the foam is 35 inches by 3 inches width, 35 inches length by 3 inches width. I inserted it and I'll be placing it through this hole. You pass it through this hole, just the way I'll be doing. Guys, if you have reached this level and you've not hit that like button, what I mean by like button is the thumbs up, that thumbs up, like kudos. You're not doing me well, oh. Just support your girl as you achieve all this free tutorial. At least you understand, just hit it, bam, it's free. You've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't know, it's free. Please join this unique device family. With the help of someone, you can see what I'm doing. Just form your twist. Don't tight it too much, just form your twist, and when you achieve your twist, sew this part down. All right, guys, I've placed on my dummy head and you can see the way it looks. This is cute, like cute. So the points I'm pointing now, those places I'm pointing is where I will tack down with my needle and thread. Okay, I'll be tacking it down with my needle and thread. And while doing this, please make sure where you tack it will not be seen. Just attach the design to your turban cap base, that's what I mean. Okay, and I'm done doing mine. One next thing I'll be doing now is to attach the handle. And normally if you have been watching my videos, you will know how I've been doing this, but I just decided to show it here. So the length of this fabric is 13 inches by 6 inches width. You understand? The reason for this is because I use my tape to measure out that back. You have to measure it out so you know the normal size of the width. Don't know if you understand me. So be folding it this way, and after folding both this way, be using my scissors to form that slant. Yes, lest I forget, guys, please, if you've not joined our WhatsApp group, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know. Please join our WhatsApp group. The link is on the description box. Yes, you can join the group through that link. But if you find it difficult to join, kindly shout this number on your screen up. Shout me up through this number and I will send the link to you. You people are missing a lot if you've not joined that group. Yes, it is the moving train group. You need to join it. All right, so I'm done with the handle, and you can see what I'm doing. Remember I told you that you tack. These are the 3 parts that I tacked. I'm just showing you again. Just tack these places. After tacking, then next thing we'll be doing is to attach the handle. Yes, so I'll be showing you how to attach the handle. The reason why I like my handle being at the back, like you won't see it by the side, is it makes the work more professional. So what I'll be doing now is I will use scissors to cut out this excess part. You can see it. You cut out this excess part. Then once you're done cutting it out, then you attach the handle this way. First of all, fold in the tip of that handle. Then you put it this way. You can see what I'm doing. Guys, if you've been watching my videos and you've been seeing how I do this, this will not be new to you, but I'm just showing this to beginners or those that are just coming across my video. So next thing you'll be doing is you tack here with your needle and thread. You do hand stitching. Please don't use sewing machine. Use hand stitching and sew it round. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoy what you are seeing. So guys, you can see I'm done tacking and our turban cap is ready. Don't cut this video. Don't fast forward it. Something is remaining. The beading pattern. What I'm showing you here is, do you notice that you can't see the handle of that turban? That is what we call professional work. I don't like when you tap your handle, it will be showing by the side. It will be showing where you tacked it. It's good for it to hide at the back of that turban cap base. Alright, so guys, over to the beading method. If you are conversant with beading, this will not be hard for you. And for those who already know this beading method, no problem. It's just that I'll be showing you other types of beading method you can use on your turban. You can see the kinds of bead I'm using. This is size 2 bead, size 2 sand bead, and sequence bead. size 2 sand bead and sequin bead. There are different designs of sequin bead, but this is the one I have in my location. So what first thing I'll be doing now is to what? Insert my needle. This is my beading needle, okay? And I've already strung my thread there. So once you attach your needle, pass it through again. You can see what I did. I just dragged it out from that back. Then I will form a knot, just one knot this way, and drag out. So I'm holding the sequence bead. This is what we call sequin bead, okay? And the gold bead you're looking at is called seed bead or sand bead, size 2. I picked up 4 pieces of sand bead. Just drag it down. Then you're going to insert it back this way. Just act as if you are seeing an invisible straight line like this. Understand? You don't need to rule the line. Just as if you'll be sewing on top of the invisible line. So arrange the tip of this sequence bead. Sequence bead comes with 2 holes. There's always 2 holes on top of it. You understand? Sequence bead has 2 holes. So I'm going to pass through the first hole and drag your needle out through the second hole. That's what I just did now. And this my thread here is 4 lines of thread. That's what you're seeing there. I made it 4 lines so it will be strong, and I'm using my beading needle. That is size 10 beading needle. Please also feel free to go to my YouTube channel to check out these videos on how to bead turban, okay? I have this on my channel. This is also another video that I did different beading patterns, and this is another video on that. So kindly move to my channel and watch it. Alright, so you continue with your beading process. Next thing we're doing again is to pick the sequin bead. I'm doing multicolor beading here. If you notice, you see that the sequin bead is multiple color. Then you pick up again 4 sand bead or seed bead, 4 sand bead. Then after picking up the 4 sand bead, you'll be dragging down the needle, the thread again. Then you will place it on top of that invisible line I told you. Remember I told you there's an invisible line. Then you drag it out. Guys, so continue with this process until you finish the whole beading process. Remember, you pick 1 sequin bead, pick 4 sand bead, then pass it through the fabric, just the way you are seeing on your screen. Guys, this tutorial is very easy. What I want you to do for me is what you see, you practice it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Yes. For one to be a professional, you must continue to do what? Practice. Not to practice inside your head though. You continue to practice with your hands. Your hands, not inside your head. You practice it. And the more you practice, you notice that your hands are getting better day by day. Alright, so this is the process. You're going to continue until you consume your fabric. And make sure when you reach this side, it enters inside. I don't know if you understand me. The ones under will go under. The pleats on top, you will reach here. You understand? The one on top will reach there. The ones under will go inside, so it will look more beautiful. People will not know where you started and where you ended the beading pattern. All right. So once you're done with that, I finished the front view and also beaded the top part, just the way I saw it in the picture. And guys, if you stayed up to this time, you know you are the MVP. I love you guys. Please kindly hit that subscribe button and like this video. Just give it a thumbs up by gingering your girl and to support this team. You all are blessed. I pray that God will always bless our hustle in Jesus' name. Amen. Love you all. Bye.